That's pretty impressive that they're that fast at doing it.
Yeah.
Jeff, really? The desert. Special land.
Yay, desert. Lands are the best when you get them in pre-release. Ugh. Okay, North Bay Games and Hobbies. It's midnight and it's time for the Hour of Devastation. So let's get cracking. Hopefully I can devastate the competition.
Hold on.
But probably not. Oh, okay. Here, we'll take that out so you can see that better. A magical horse. All right. Oh, red dye. Cool. Okay. We'll go with the old stuff first. See if we get anything here we can work with. Okay. Not bad. Oh, that's okay.
Hey, I got the cases to keep for those cases and
Oh, there we go. Okay. That's not going to help me. Okay. New stuff. And we'll take a quick look through each of these since these are new to everyone. Aerial guide. There we go. Guide. That could come in handy. Yeah. Ooh. Nothing to see here. Actually, I guess you can see it. All you have to do is go onto the channel in like 2 minutes.
oh, here you are. You got trouble with this one?
Well, that is going to be it.
That's good. And that's good too. Oh, and that's good too. Oh, okay. Alright, we're not doing too bad over here. We might be able to make this deck work. I'm not sure what color to be yet, but we got some decent stuff to choose from so far.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, right.
Removal. Kind of removal. Meh. And, oh, nice. We can use that. Last pack. Okay. Flyers, always good. Cool.
Wow, gotta make it.
That's workable. That's workable. And that's not bad. Ooh, cool token. Sunscourge Champion. Okay, that's it for now. I gotta make a deck.